Hi, this is Business with Dave. In this video, I'll be telling you how you can turn a YouTube street food video into your own street food business. But before that, I just want to thank everyone who has subscribed to the channel. You guys are all awesome. And if you haven't yet, do subscribe to the channel because then you will also be awesome. But yeah, let's jump straight into this video. So the first thing you want to do is to search for that killer idea. So what you want to do, go on YouTube, look on different street food videos. There's so many videos out there, so many street food businesses around the world that you can pick and choose. Sort of pick a cuisine that you might be interested in and just look on those videos, because there's so many videos where people take our street food businesses and they see how they make their food and how they operate. Take tips from it, see what you can adapt, see if you can add your own twist to it, but keep that original idea and become that second mover. You don't want to hopefully start something completely new. You can start something that someone else has already proven, an idea that's already worked, and you can adapt it to your own business style or your business sort of service as well. So once you find an idea that you really like, look on how they make it or potential recipes of adapting it into. So either you develop your own recipes, or there's so many recipes online that you could sort of see, try for yourself, perfect, but just maybe add your sort of different style to it, add something different, ingredients to it, have different variations that you can offer. So 2 meats and a vegan option where it allows people to pick and choose. But ultimately, have fun with it, be creative, be imaginative as much as you can, because people like original looking food, tasting food, different flavors, different services as well, different styles. So do try to adapt. Each idea can make you money. It's whether it just suits the market store environment that you're setting up, or whether your food tastes good and how the service goes. But do look into it, do your research. The more you plan and research, the better that hopefully your business will turn out. Because if you don't plan for your business, you're planning to fail ultimately, and that's the thing you want to avoid at the end of the day. So with so many different variations, for example, like burgers, having American style burgers, having Japanese style burgers, different types of curries all around the world, so many different ideas you can adapt. The world is literally a pool of ideas in your YouTube search engine thing. So do utilize that. Do pick an idea that is hopefully different, that isn't already done in where you want to set up your business, but do adapt. See what you can add as your unique selling point and work from there. So as you find your idea, you're adapting your own style, you're seeing what you could add value to it, and hopefully people will buy into it. But there is no truly new idea out there anymore. It's more variations, adapting, improving, and that's exactly the same thing you want to do. So do try to pick a dish or a particular cuisine with a particular dish that you really like, or you have a recipe for that you know it will look good, it will taste good, your presentation is on point, the taste is on point, and then hopefully people, once they try it, they'll be like, whoa, that tastes amazing. I know that you are good for this place, so I will keep coming back to you and I'll tell my friends and family about you. But hopefully, obviously you'll be getting your ideas from maybe a YouTube video, which is maybe if you're in the UK and you get inspiration from South Korea, or you get it from Mexico, or just in America as well. So many different ideas, so many different business opportunities that you can take advantage of and make it your own and create your own business that hopefully, if it's a street food business, you could hopefully turn into a cafe or a restaurant or a takeaway in the future. But do see the potential in creating something that is hopefully not just trend, because trends tend to die out, but hopefully something that will last the test of time. So something more traditional, something that people know and will hopefully remember. That's the sort of the best ideas that will continue into far future, because a lot of the trends nowadays, they tend to come 6 months, 7, 8 months, and then they go like that. But if you stick to something more traditional, classic, but add your own twist to it, so it's whether you're making better food, faster service, different variations on it, then you can adapt it into the long term. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Hope you found this video useful. This is more of a summary on how you could potentially turn a YouTube street food idea into a business for yourself. Obviously, there'll be hopefully videos in the future where there's a bit more step to it, but this is how you can potentially turn it into a business that you can potentially make money and make a living out of it, and maybe a future business out of it as well. But hopefully you get many ideas. There's so many ideas on YouTube, so many different videos of people filming food being made, so do adapt, see what you like, try out for yourself, and maybe if it's not a street food business, it could be a product that you can sell online, in a market store, or catering. So many different opportunities. You just need to expand your horizons, see what they're doing in different countries, and adapt it to where you're living. Like this video if you like this video, and consider subscribing to the channel. I've been Business with Dave. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.